Hello everyone, my name is AB. I'm going to give you some little knowledge about cryptocurrency. So, following the recent announcement on China banning its financial institution from using cryptocurrency transaction. So, do not panic. All this is manipulation. That's how cryptocurrency works. They are just manipulating the market. They just want you to sell your coins at the cheapest price so that they will buy it all. So I'm warning you, please don't sell your coin at a cheapest price. Please do not sell your coin at even one kobo loss. Just hold. You people didn't understand what hold means. But let me show you how you think hold is, but it's not. You just think like to hold is a moving in a smarter way, but it's not. So look how people think it is like to hold. What is actually like to hold? You see the way hold means. You will find many difficulties on the road. So this is 4-hour chart showing that the market is about to recover. Buyers are in control. So if you see the chart, shows that buyers are in control. Don't be afraid to buy the dip. Buy some more. If you buy it again. Just go and buy it again. So find a great project and buy. So if they ban cryptocurrency, and so what? You see, this is the fifth largest mining pool, leaves China for Kazakhstan. You see, cryptocurrency is everywhere. You see, Swiss bank Lucas Copy launches Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin CFD trading. So cryptocurrency is everywhere. Just buy and hold. You can see it again. MicroStrategy expand company's Bitcoin holdings with $489 million purchase. So don't be panic. And then Bitcoin biggest corporate backer invest another $500 million as crypto price crash. So just use this opportunity and buy the dip. So just see that 2013 Bitcoin dip from $230 to $65. By December it was more than 10 times. So in 2017, Bitcoin dipped from $3,000 to $1,800. By December, it was more than 10 times. So in 2021, Bitcoin dipped from $65K to $32K. So what do you think will happen by December? Just buy the dip. Just use this opportunity. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my next video. Please like and share. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for